Just got done. Spencer's got these fake cigarettes and this pop-up lighter. It's freaking amazing. It even shines. Here, I gotcha.
God, that hurt.
I'm not sure.
What are you doing, Wyatt? We're coming in 10. There'll be 2 years ready. What size your hand, Wyatt?
Newton.
What the hell is that?
It's fake.
What's that other
We got
thing?
him at Spencer's.
Those are ridiculous. Ridiculous.
You need a light, Mom?
That's not attractive, Wyatt. Look at what the boys got, Mark.
Oh my god.
Don't go walking around the neighborhood. The people are going to think I'm a
Yeah.
horrible mother. It looks real.
It does. It even glows.
Yeah,
Shines.
that's ridiculous. Yeah, that's nice. Show them that.
Hey, Mark.
Yeah.
You need a light? You can see this?
Oh, that's bad. That's bad. I think I'll pass on that, man.